everyone, welcome to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today I made a delicious casserole. It's squash casserole, squash and shrimp casserole. This recipe is already on my YouTube channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Go check it out. I'll put a link in the description box. But it's a good, delicious casserole made with shrimp and squash and heavy whipping cream and cheese. I used 3 types of cheese: mozzarella, cheddar, and Parmesan. Topped it off with some Parmesan cheese. And then I cooked my shrimp, added that in there too. Mashed all the squash up. Added 1/2 of a sliced diced onion in there. And that is the entire recipe. Baked it in the oven at 350 till it was golden brown. So if you guys want to try this out, feel free to try it out. In fact, I'm about to taste it right now. Let's get a little piece over here in the corner. That looks so good. All right, so here we go.